Are you struggling with your Nest thermostat frequently disconnecting from Wi-Fi? You're not alone. Many users experience this frustrating issue, but often the problem lies in signal strength rather than the thermostat itself. To enhance your Nest thermostat's performance, start by strengthening your home network. This can involve setting up a mesh system or using Wi-Fi boosters. A reliable connection can make a world of difference. Before diving into more technical fixes, let's check off a quick checklist of solutions. 1. Power levels. Ensure your thermostat has proper power. Low batteries or missing a C-wire can lead to throttled Wi-Fi performance. 2. Frequency check. If your thermostat is far from the router, switch to the 2.4 GHz band for better range. 3. Clear the path. Remove any large metal objects or thick mirrors that may obstruct signals between your router and thermostat. If these quick fixes do not help, follow these detailed steps to troubleshoot your Nest thermostat. First, check if the thermostat is properly powered. Look for any alerts or messages on the thermostat display or the Nest app. If it's blank, consider recharging the batteries or replacing them if needed. Next, verify the Nest app for any alerts or error codes. This can give you insights into connection issues like low power warnings or disconnections from Wi-Fi. If the app may be outdated, force close it or check for updates. Older versions can struggle to maintain connections. Restarting your smart device can also help. If the problem persists, try accessing the thermostat from a different device to rule out your smartphone as the issue. Using a mobile hotspot is another diagnostic step. If your thermostat connects to the hotspot without issues, your home Wi-Fi may be the problem. If needed, restart your Nest thermostat through its settings. This often helps it to reconnect automatically to the Wi-Fi. If your thermostat is still offline, consider resetting its Wi-Fi settings. Follow the prompts in the settings menu to clear old connections and set it up fresh. Checking your home Wi-Fi is crucial too. A frozen or defective router can lead to disconnections. Restart your router to refresh its connection, then test if your thermostat reconnects. Lastly, assess signal strength. In the thermostat settings, check if the Wi-Fi signal is strong. If the strength is low, consider removing unnecessary smart devices that may be hogging bandwidth or moving your router for better coverage. With these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Nest thermostat. Keep in mind that troubleshooting might sometimes require professional help, especially if persistent issues occur. If you've tried all the above and nothing seems to work, it could be time to consider a new thermostat. Models like the Google Nest Thermostat or the Honeywell Home RTH99585WF offer reliable performance and user-friendly controls. Don't let Wi-Fi troubles hinder your smart home experience. Follow these tips and keep your Nest thermostat running smoothly. For more help, check out our detailed articles on smart home devices or consult a professional. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more smart home tips. Feel free to share any experiences or questions in the comments below. Happy troubleshooting!